Alright, hello my wonderful students. This is using interval notation. And for those who don't know, interval notation is based off of this. And I'll explain how it works and how we can rewrite it as an inequality. Alright, so what is the graph of -5 comma or bracket -5 comma 9 open parenthesis? So the way this works is that whenever we're looking at this, we always want to look at whether it is included in the graph or not included in the graph. And we're going to look at this based off our bracket and our parentheses. So if it ever has a bracket, that would mean it's included, and if it has parentheses, that would mean it's not included. For example, here we have our -5 and 9. So if we were to graph this based on this here, we'd roll our smaller number on this side, which is -5. This would be our 9. We could add another number if you guys wanted to, like a 0 here, or maybe a -7, or even maybe an 11. But we don't really need to. But we get to see here our -5. Because our -5 is a bracket, we're going to have a closed circle. And because our 9 is a open parentheses, we're going to have an open circle. And this is going to be the information that's inside here. So all numbers in between -5, including -5, up to 9, not including 9. That being said, so how do we actually write this as an inequality? It's number 2 down here, or part B, I guess. So if we were to write this in an inequality, this would be an and inequality because it's in the middle. So if we know from the ones that we had before, this would be something that has, we choose a variable. Let's choose, I guess x is our go-to variable, so let's choose x. So we would have our two inequalities on the inside and outside, or the front and back. And what we would do is we notice that since the 5 is the lesser number, the -5 would go on this side, and the 9 would go on this side. We do see that it is open circle, just like it should be here, open circle. Still in different colors, so you guys can see. Open circle because of the bracket. So this would be just x is less than 9. But we also see that this is a bracket here. So this should be -5 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 9. So it's the same deal as what we would be doing, how we'd write the inequality before. Except now, instead of looking at the graph for the closed circle and open circles, we look for the brackets here and the parentheses here, according to this right here.